This is me looking through the window and wondering what in the world is going on. And let me tell you all this is just a tip of the iceberg. I am just here overwhelmed and wondering when in the world am I gonna get home? Because right now it seems like I'm stuck. Watch how it all started. So of course, I hopped on the plane, headed to the East Coast during the storm. At first, it looked like it wasn't going to affect anything, but there were warnings that it would affect the area by Sunday of that weekend. Oh my God. Landed in New Jersey, there to spend some time with family, and I was going to just spend a day and leave the next day, but it turns out that I had to spend some extra day due to the snowstorm. And here we are with all this pile of snow blocked everywhere and no way out. Though I was beat up by this cold and the snow, I had to go help clear the pathway if I wanted to go home. Not that I had to, but I just felt I should. So, let's go.
It's working with other. Good job. Good job.
Jesus. I'm not biting. Let me see. What is it now? Honestly, I had so much fun, but at this time, my Uber arrived and I headed on to New York to catch my flight back